Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we are unboxing the 2016 Honda Civic Type R from the Then and Now series. This one's in a white. Looks exactly like you would pick one up off the showroom floor. Pretty cool car. Let's rip straight into it. Oh, look at the red rims on the tires with the black wheels. It's pretty cool. And all the windows are tinted, makes it look even better. But I really like that this one's got like the headlight decals and the Type R and the Honda badge at the front, and the same on the back. Again, we see all the decals with the tail lights, the Honda badge, the Hot Wheels plate. It's a pretty cool car. Alright, don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe, and leave your comments below on what you think about this Honda Civic Type R. Thanks everyone.